For the last couple of months, I've been working very hard on developing myself, my trading system, and the way I educate and coach people within my community. And throughout this journey that's, going to last for forever, I've come to a direct realization that our habits are the silent forces that create our success. The recaps you're seeing on my YouTube page are a direct realization of a repeated habit day in, day out. It follows something very simple: proper preparation, adherence to the system, patience around execution, and a complete respect for risk management. I don't have the luxury of time to go over all of that, but what I do have the luxury of time in this video is to explain my trading on gold for the 26th of March. Now, before I get into this, you can see that I do have some positions open here coming into the weekend. I'm recording this on Sunday. I have 3 lots open at different places. I won't cover that. It has nothing to do with this recap, so just ignore those. I use a line in the sand indicator, which is basically a point of control catalyst line that is printed throughout the day and it remains static. That line is right here, this red thing on the chart. Now, coming into the markets, this is about 6 something in the morning my time, Central European time. I noticed that we're making this contraction right at the POC. The moment we break out of that contraction, price action starts showing me weakness. My original target was this yellow line all the way down at the bottom. That was a 1 hour untested level. The blue one is a daily level. So we broke that and we broke the POC, and that's why I sized up. I ended up collecting on this short over 5,000 points, but I opened multiple positions. My biggest winner here is this one right there, 5,075 pips or $507. Price then gave me another opportunity to short, and I did, even though there was a reversed head and shoulders. Cut my loss short. Remember, deep respect for risk. Then once we retested these bases here, went above those resistances and started coming down, I started adding more size for a total move of another 3,700 points, with my biggest winner being this one here, which is 3,738 pips or $373. Market gave me some small opportunities again, same setup. Now you can see here I was targeting the daily low, and here too. Had a few small losses here, a little bit of small wins here, some more small wins and losses over here, but then we reclaimed this area right here. So you see we come out and we come right back in. We also formed this head and shoulders pattern, and that's where my big win comes from. Now, the reason I was able to size up and run this trade all the way down here was using a very simple technique, focusing on these lower highs. Just look at the market, constant lower highs. And as we were making those lower highs, I kept adding on size. But none of this would be possible if I didn't prepare.